Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Miele brand dryer and you're getting an error F2. So we're going to talk about what is this error and can we get rid of it. So to start with, the error F2 is indicating that there's an open circuit at the refrigerant temperature sensor. And so what exactly is causing this? There's not a specific localized thing that can fix it, and most of the time when you get a type of error like this, you're going to have to call for technical support. However, before you do that and spend the money and take the time, there's one thing you can do to try to clear out this error that will sometimes work, and that is to just do since it's an electronics error, to just do a hard reset on the machine just like you would on a computer that's acting up. So to do a hard reset, we're just going to turn our dryer off. And then we're going to disconnect it from the power, either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit so that it has no power, and leave it that way for a full minute. Once that time is up, then we can turn it back on, restore power to it, turn it back on, and try to run a dry cycle and see if the error does not come back. And hopefully it won't. Otherwise, yeah, you will probably have to call a technician, but this might solve the problem for you. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.